Hi, my name's Ian Newton. I conduct a workshop entitled How to Win the Emotional and Mental Battle for Weight Loss. See, whilst a good diet is important, and you will learn that, whilst movement is important and you will learn about that, weight loss is a neck up battle, because here is where all your fears lie about weight loss, your frustration, your disappointments. Here is where the food cravings are. Here is where boredom eating lies. All the problems associated with weight loss lie here, from the neck up. So unless we address this, it's just going through the motions. To try and just use the next diet or exercise yourself until you can't stand up, it simply doesn't work. And you know that, I'm sure. So what you'll learn are a number of strategies. You will get 5 different ways to build up, and each one of them will have a value to you. Overcoming the emotional aspects of it, the mental aspects of it, the physical aspects of it, learning to eat exactly the right way in this modern age, not some old style calorie counting model. That's right, and this will give you the confidence to be able to go forward and to lose weight. Plus, you'll also get 30 days free online support to keep you on track, to keep you supported, to keep you confident, to keep you moving forward to achieve your goal. So I look forward to meeting you at a workshop. The details are below. You can call the 1300 number to reserve your spot. There are always limited places at every workshop. I like to keep it reasonably compact so I can get to work with everybody properly. Thank you.